Exercise 2.4. 2.4. First definition: null set or empty set, empty, no elements. Void set, anyone correct? A set which does not contain any element, suppose no elements, only empty set. This is the empty set. Which does not contain, null set means which does not contain any element. Here it is denoted by pi, or empty set. This is the empty set, only curly brackets. This is the denoted by pi, or this is the empty set or void set, anyone. But a set which does not contain any element, no elements, this is the empty set. Empty set is denoted by the symbol pi, or this is the only curly brackets, empty curly brackets, or empty set. Suppose example, this is the example. A equal to A is the one set, x such that 1 less than x less than 2. X is a natural number. Suppose 1 above, 2 below. No natural numbers. 1.5, actually 1.5 is a natural number. No natural number. So it is a empty set. 1 above, 2 below. There is no natural numbers. Suppose example, x such that 1 less than x, 1 above, 2 below. X is a natural number. Any natural numbers having? No natural number. So it is a empty set. Empty set. No, x square minus 2 equal to 0. Next condition, x square minus 2 equal to 0. X is a rational number. Suppose rational number, suppose rational numbers, p by q form. But here condition root 2 whole square 2 minus 2 equal to 0. But here only rational p by q form. There is no rational numbers. Actually this is the irrational. Root 2 whole square satisfied. Root 2 whole square minus 2 equal to 0, square root cancel, 2 minus 2 equal to 0. This is the condition satisfied. But here condition rational number. Rational number means p by q form. Here root 2 is irrational, so there is having no elements. So it is a empty set. Next, third condition. Examples. X such that x square equal to 4. X is odd. Condition given, odd numbers. 1 square 4 possible, not 2 square 1 only odd, 2 not possible, 3 square not possible, only odd. X is odd. There is no satisfied, no natural, no numbers, no odd numbers. So it is empty set. Suppose x is even 2 square 4. So it is not empty set. X is even, not empty set. X is odd, it is empty set. There is no satisfied values, so it is a empty set. Understand? There is no elements which does not contain any element. It is called null set. Null set or empty set or void set. Any three numbers. Next, symbol pi or empty set. Examples complete. Next, note. Pi and this is the pi. Pi means only curly brackets, but it is not equal. Pi means only curly brackets. It is one element 0 having, so it is not. Pi equal to only curly brackets. So suppose it is the 0 one element having, but empty set means no elements. But here having one element, having 0 element, 1 element, but it is not equal. So pi and one element 0 are two different sets. It is two different sets, but these are equal sets. Pi, this is the curly brackets, this is the equal sets. But the one element having 0, it is the empty set. It is the one element having or two different sets. It is a 0 set. Is a set containing the single element 0, while it is null set, only empty set. It is one element having, it is null set. So different. Okay, bit important. Finite set. Finite, limited. A set is called a finite set. It is possible to count the number of element of the set. To possible count. Count is possible. Suppose possible is count. Count is possible. Suppose count. Suppose natural numbers less than 5, below 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. It is count is possible. It is finite set. Suppose natural numbers, only natural numbers above 2, 3, 4, 5. It is possible count? No count. So count is possible. It is finite set. Count is not possible. It is infinite set. Suppose odd natural numbers. It is possible? No possible. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So dash. It is infinite set. Count is possible. Count the number of element of the set. Finite set. Count the number of elements. Possible to count the number of elements of the set. Possible to count the number. Count. It is possible. Here, example. Let W be the set of the days of the week. Suppose week how many days? 7 days. So it is finite. 7 days only. So it is finite. Count is possible. Suppose the students of our school also possible count. Our school also possible count. A is the finite set. Infinite set. A set is called infinite set if it is not possible to count the number of element of the set. Not possible to count the number of elements. To count the number of elements. Okay, na? To count the number. It is not possible to count the number of elements of that set. Actually, set of natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 dash. Set of even numbers 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 dash. Set of odd numbers 1, 3, 5, 7 dash. So it is infinite sets. Count is not possible. Count is possible, finite set. Count is not possible, infinite set. Example. The set of all natural numbers, the set of all even natural numbers, the set of odd natural numbers, all are infinite set. Note. The number of elements in a set is called cardinal number of sets. The set of number the number of elements in a set is called cardinal number. Suppose 1, 2, 3, 4. How many elements? Number of elements n of a equal to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is a cardinal number. Cardinal number of elements. Cardinal number of the set. The number of elements. How many number of elements? Suppose 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Even numbers below 12. Below 12. So how many cardinal numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. N of a equal to 5. The cardinal a set is called cardinal set. Note, the number of elements in a set is called. How many number of elements? The number of elements. The number of elements in a set is called cardinal number of element of the set. The cardinal number of the set is denoted n of a. Denoted n of a. Suppose A is set. Cardinal number of elements n of a. Cardinal number of elements n of a. The number of note, there are no elements in a null set. Null set there is no elements. The cardinal number of that set is 0. N of pi. Suppose pi is empty set. The cardinal number of null set 0. The cardinal number of null set are pi, empty set or void set, anyone. The number of null set. The number of null set. N of pi equal to n of pi. Pi is a empty set or null set. Number of cardinal number of the set is 0. N of pi equal to 0. This is the condition important to. Next exercise. State which of the following sets are empty and which are not. Which are empty, which are not. The set of straight lines passing through a point. Suppose passing through a point. The set of straight lines passing through a point. It is possible. So it is not empty set. It is not empty set. The set of odd natural numbers divisible by 2. Suppose set of odd natural numbers. Suppose 3 divisible by 2. Not 5. Only set of odd natural numbers divisible by 2. Possible? Not. Suppose 5 by 2. Not. 7 by 2. Not. So it is any possible? No possible. So it is empty set. No elements. X such that x is a natural number, x less than 5, 5 below, and x greater than 7, 7 above, 5 below, 7 above, 5 below, 7 above. No natural numbers. So it is any satisfied? No satisfied. So it is a empty set. Empty set. 5 below, 7 above, 5 below, but between 5 and 7, okay, it is not empty. But 5 below, 7 above, no numbers, so it is an empty set. X is a common point, any two parallel lines. Suppose any two parallel lines, any common point? No common point. It is empty set. No elements. No common points. So it is a empty set. Set of even prime numbers. Set of even prime. Set of even prime. No numbers. 2 is a even prime. 2 is a even prime. So it is empty set. Not empty set. Why? 2 is one element having, one element satisfied. So 2 is even prime. So it is not empty set. Suppose any condition is not satisfied, it is empty set. Here we are having one element. 2 is satisfied. Even 2 is even prime. So it is not empty set. Which of the following sets are finite or infinite? The set of months in a year. Months in a year, how many months? 12 months in a year. So it is a count possible. Count is possible. It is finite set. January, February, count is possible. 1, 2, 3, days 100. Only limited numbers. So it is finite set. 1, 2, 3, limited numbers. Count is possible. So it is a finite set. The set of prime numbers less than 99. Prime numbers less than 99. It is count is possible. So it is finite set. State whether each of the following set is finite or infinite. The set of letters in the English alphabet. English alphabet easy 1 to 26 letters. So it is finite. Count is possible. Count is not possible. Infinite set. Count is possible. Finite set. The set of lines which are parallel to the x-axis. It is infinite set. The set of lines which are parallel to the x-axis. It is a x-axis parallel to number of. It is parallel to the x-axis. Parallel to the x-axis. It is number of sets. So number of elements. So it is infinite set. Understand? The set of lines which are parallel to the x-axis. It is parallel. So infinite sets. The set of numbers which are multiples of 5 multiples, number of multiples, infinite, 5 ones, 5 twos, 5 threes, 5 number of multiples, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. So it is infinite. The set of circles passing through the origin, infinite. The set of circles passing through the origin. Suppose this is the origin, this is the circle, this is the circle, number of circles. So it is infinite.